Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix and guys how to solve guys vibrate on tap problem on realme mobile. Friends you want to solve guys your vibrate on tap problem on realme phone. So how to fix today friends I am going to show you in this video. Friend, first open your phone setting to fix get this vibrate on tap problem. As you can see, when I tap on my phone vibrate. So the same problem guys you have, and friends you want to fix. Friends, you can solve from your phone setting. Friends, click on phone setting. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on friends sound and vibration, friends you can see phone vibrate setting, vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent. Friends you want to on silent mode, you want to on, so when you can on from here. Friends you can set your ringtone, you can set your notification ringtone sound. So friends click on this mode sound and haptic setting. After on this mode sound and haptic, friends last option friends you can see haptic setting, vibrate on touch setting. So you will have to only tap here, your problem will solve, your problem will fix on your realme mobile. Friends, now you can tap on your phone, you can touch your phone where your phone will not vibrate. So like that friends we can solve, and friends we can fix vibrate on tap and touch problem. And friends you can fix this shortcut setting also guys. Click on guys search option, vibrate setting guys. Once you can see vibrate setting, vibrate on touch. Friends click here, direct friends you can fix this problem. And friends you want to use your vibrate on touch, so you can on, and so when you will tap your phone button, so means your phone will vibrate. And once you don't want to use guys tap here, your problem will solve. So like that we can use also vibrate on touch setting. And once you have this setting and you don't know about it, so you can fix from your sound and vibration setting. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.